In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily rename any tag on the Files app on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up Files app. If some another folder is open, you need to tap right here all the time until you moved to the browse page, which is kind of a home page for the Files app. And then if we scroll down to the very bottom, that's where we can easily find all our tags within the Files app. We can use any of them to mark some files or folders to make it easier to find them later on in the future. However, let's say I wanna rename some tag, and I can easily do so as well. And basically here we have this test tag. Now I'm gonna rename it, and to do so all we have to do is just long press on it and then hit add rename. After that we can enter a new name. Here I'm just gonna enter Apple Guy and then hit add done. Basically, guys, that's it. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.